Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot playing audio issues on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing, make sure your speakers are turned on and make sure they are also plugged into your computer. If they are external speakers, make sure it has a good connection. And if you're using a USB connection with your speakers, make sure that they're plugged in properly and consider trying a different USB plug as well and seeing if that resolves the problem. Something else we can try here too would be to right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. So select System on the left side and then select the Sound option over on the right. Where it says choose where to play sound, click inside the drop down here. And if you have multiple devices, select the correct one from the list. And you can also add a new output device here as well. So you just would go ahead and walk through the installation settings for that. So that's definitely something I would take a look at. And the same options also apply for inputs and microphones too. So again, that's something you can take a look at. So if you've already tried that and you're still not having any success, something else we can do here too would be to go back to System and then scroll down to Troubleshoot. Recommended troubleshooters, preferences, history. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select other troubleshooters. Go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select versus playing audio. Go ahead and select the run button. So if it gives you any suggestions, I'd recommend following along with them on the screen. And there you go, select next. You might have to adjust your sound volume down here as well. That's something I didn't mention. You may want to consider looking into that too. So down in your system tray. And that's pretty much it, guys. So open up the magnifying glass and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Into this command prompt, you want to go type in SFC followed by a space and then / scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so you can see you didn't find anything. Would recommend restarting your computer at this point though. Okay, so there you go guys. Hopefully your issue should have been resolved at this point, and if you try and listen to audio, it should be playing properly. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.